Hello students, morning everybody. In this video, this is actually the continuation of our previous video of this chapter, direct and inverse proportion. Here we are going to solve some more problems within exercise 12b and 12c. See, we are just showing you the problems. This is number 12. It is given in a hostel 75 students had provisions for 24 days. If 15 students leave the hostel for how many days would the food provision last? See, number of students in the hostel was 75. Number of students left from the hostel is equal to 15. Now the number of students present in the hostel is equal to 60. Then let the food provision last for X days. Now we are just making the table. Accordingly, we have already just learned that one. That is the number of students and provision last in days. It is 75, 24, actually 24 days for 75 students. And now the present number of students is 60, then how many days is required? So less student, more time. So this is a case of inverse proportion. So we can just tell, that is, we can use that formula, that is x1 into y1 equal to x2 into y2. So here x1 into y1 into equal to x2 into x2. Here this one 60 into x. Therefore x equal to, this is 30 and the required time is 30 days. Now with the same exercise, that is, this is actually exercise 12b of R.S. Agarwal. Here number 15, say it is given if x and y vary inversely. This is varying inversely. And if x equal to 18, then y equal to 8. If then x equal to what when y equal to 16. So this is actually the problem is given. So here this is already just told, this is varying inversely. So we are using the same formula, x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. So putting this value, this is x, this is y, equal to x2 into 16. So the finding the value over x2 equal to 18 into 8, 18 into 8 divided by 16, it is cutted off, it is coming 9. So the required number is 9. Exercise 12c. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Chapter, that is 12c. Here I'm just taking number 2 problem. It is actually asked for if 8 oranges cost 52 rupees, how many oranges can be bought for rupees 169? See, let the number of oranges be x. Now we are just forming the problem in a tabulation form. See, number of oranges 8 and its cost is 52 rupees. And it is actually asked for x and how many oranges, and 169 is the cost of that. See, number of oranges, if it is higher, the cost will be higher. That is, more orange, more cost. So it is actually case of direct proportion. So we have already learned direct proportion. If it is, then x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 equal to constant. We have already learned in our previous exercise. So just putting this value over here, that is x1 equal to 8 by 52 equal to x by 169. From here, this is cross multiply. This is 52 into x equal to 8 into 69. Therefore, x equal to 8 into 69 divided by 52. So it just cut it by, this is 4 and this is 13, and 13 it is 13 here 169. Therefore, this is actually 26. And 26, that is the required number of oranges, actually 26. And this option is C. It is given option is C. Next, try to just come over here, number 9. So here it is asked for 3 persons can build a wall in 4 days. Then 4 persons can build in how many days is required, that is the time is required. Let the required time be x days. So just doing this tabulation of this whole problem, that is number of persons and time required, that is the number of days. It is 3 persons, 4 days. 4 persons, how many days is required, that is, this is the x. So here clearly you know, that is, if more persons, less time will just build the wall. So this is a case of inverse proportion. If this is inverse proportion, then we have already learned that is if it is inverse proportion, then x1 into y1 equal to x2 into y2. So now putting this value 3 into 4 equal to 4 into x. Therefore x it will be 4 into 3 into 4 by 4, that is 3. And this is the required time it actually 3 days, which is actually option is B. This is the option. Friends, this is the end of this chapter. Try to just solve all the problems from these 3 exercises, that is 12A, 12B and 12C. Any problem you are facing, you are most welcome just to let me know with my WhatsApp number.